Today I want to show you how to replace an old light with a new Nelson bubble pendant light. First of all, with all electrical projects, you want to start by turning off the power at the service panel by flipping the circuit breaker. Leave the light on before you flip the breaker. If the light goes out, you should be good. I moved the table out of the way to allow for plenty of room to work. Disassemble the old pendant light and fan. Each light or fan will be different to take apart. My wife and I want to use the glass globe in another room, so we took it apart carefully. I took off the screws from the bottom of the fan to remove the wires for the pendant light. Then I took off the fan blade so it would be easier to remove the fan from the ceiling. Having a helper makes it easier to not have to go up and down the ladder so much. He is also pretty cute. Make sure not to lose any screws so you can put it back together again. I wasn't sure how to get the fan off the ceiling, so I took the screws off the motor area. I realized later these didn't need to come off. After a little while I realized the fans were hanging on two pins coming out of the motor unit. I just had to push up on the fan and twist it to come off the ceiling. Pull the cord out and unscrew the wire nuts. Then unscrew the metal canopy attached to the ceiling box. I decided it was a good time to paint around the exposed hole to make sure the old paint isn't seen. Since this is a center-mounted light, you will need to start by sliding the plastic nut, the metal canopy, and the mounting strap with a threaded hollow rod through the white electrical cord. The light came with plenty of cord to hang from the ceiling, but it was too much. So I measured the cord so our light would hang about 36 inches off of the table and made a mark on the cord. I slid all of the parts past the mark and cut the electrical cord about 8 inches beyond. This allowed me to tie a knot in the cord to anchor the light and strip away the cable jacket, revealing the 3 electrical cords inside. The black is the hot wire, the white is the neutral wire, and the green is the ground. I removed the wire insulation from about a ½ inch of each cord, revealing the copper wire inside. Use a wire nut to screw the 2 black wires together. Then do the same with the white wires. I screwed the ground wire to the mounting strap since our house wiring doesn't have a ground. Push all cables into the ceiling box and screw the mounting strap to the electrical box. Hold up the metal canopy and adjust the hollow rod so it is long enough to fit through the canopy. Use the plastic nut to hold the canopy in place. With the construction done, I took off the plastic protecting the lamp. And removed the cardboard pieces. I installed a light bulb and turned the breaker back on. Our lamp is installed on a dimmer, and I have really enjoyed the look of the lamp at any level of brightness. The single light bulb provides enough light for dinner and school projects that my kids do at the table. The lamp even looks amazing when the light is off. I love the way the light interacts with the different facets of the shade. A pendant light isn't very hard to install, and it is amazing how much it changed the look of our house. I have provided a link in the description to purchase the Georg Nelson Bubble Crisscross Saucer Lamp. For more DIY and home improvement projects, check out simplepracticalbeautiful.com. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to be notified when we upload additional videos.